Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a little cap, and oh, it has a little Ziploc on it. Here, I think it's called a Newsboy cap, but let's see, oh, plastic in it. And so this is kind of an interesting style here. I've never worn anything like this before, so you will be seeing it on me first. And it is a Newsboy style cap. So there it is. So what do you think of this? I think that's what it says. Let's see, it says JremPan Newsboy hats for men. So this is it. I am a man, so at least that part qualifies. And we've got this Newsboy hat. So this is how it looks. I got the tag on there. Let me see if I can cut it off. There we go. I actually did it without cutting the hat off. Okay, and so this is how I look. I like it. It's kind of cool. It's kind of a different style for me. I've never worn anything like this before. It really kind of, I mean, I guess if you have, if you want to get that forehead smooth, flat looking back thing there, that's what it's for. So versus those trucker hats, which are flat up here, gives you that little bit look. Hopefully I don't look 80 years old in here, but it's cool. I like this thing. I mean, I have the light shining so you don't see the shade, but it would definitely keep it shaded over your eyes. If you're out, it's got a decent size rim coming out there. But I like this hat. It's pretty cool. It's something different for me, so I figured I'd give it a try. So thumbs up, really nice. And it's really made well. If you can see it up close, it's kind of like a denim-y kind of look, and you can tighten it up on both sides. It's got clips on both sides. I don't know if that's mostly for looks or whatever, but you could make it bigger or smaller. It says water ink in show, made in China. 100% cotton, but yeah, I mean, this size here fits me the way it is, even just right out of the box. So totally cool. I love it. Thumbs up.